Hello everybody, so today I will talk about trigonometry. Here is about the question. Let x and y be acute angles. Should that cotangx equal 7 and cosec y equal to square root 10? Find the value of cosine x plus y in here. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We know that x and y be acute angles, so it means that they are in the quadrant number 1. If they are in quadrant number 1, they will be positive in sine, cosine, tan, and cotangent, and it should be like this. Similar for the y too. Now we will find the cotangent x. We need to have the cosine and the sine x in here, so we can apply the formula in the cosine. First, we have the cotangent x equal to 7. In the cotangent x, we have cosine x divided to sine x. In the sine x, we multiply with number 7. Later that we put the square in the both sides. And we put 49 sine x power 2 on the left. That is the first step. The second step, we have the formula. That's about cosine x power 2 plus sine x power 2x equal to 1. In this situation, we create the system of equation. So we can find the value of cosine x power 2 and the sine x power 2 in here. If you calculate the value inside the system of equations, you can find the cosine x power 2 is about 49 over 50, and the sine x power 2 is about 1 over 50. After we calculate the sine x power 2 and cosine x power 2, we put the square in the both sides, and we got about cosine x equal to 7 over square root 50. In the sine x, you got about 1 over the square root 50. And the next one, we have the cosec y equal to square root 10. In the cosec, we can convert to 1 over sine x, sine y, equal to the square root number 10. And the sine y should be about square root 10 over 10. The next one, to find the cosine y, we just apply this similar formula. So in the cosine y power 2, we have 1 minus sine y power 2, and this is about 1 minus 10 over 100, and that's about 90 over 100. And now we simplify this one is about 9 over 10, and the next one we put the square in the both sides, and you got about 3 multiplied with square root 10 over 10. The next one we have the cosine. We apply the formula cosine x multiplied with cosine y minus sine x multiplied with sine y. Now we just put the number cosine x is about this number multiplied with cosine y is about this cosine, sorry, cosine y is this number, sine x we have this number multiplied with sine y is this number, and we can get the final result. Is about 2 multiplied with the square root number 5 over 5. This is the technique how to answer the question. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.